Hello everyone. Welcome to latest news updated program. The topic of discussion India's coastline expanded by 50%. This topic related to geography section of the UPSC CSE syllabus. Coastline length. Why in news coastlines India's coastline has increased to 11,098.8 km, nearly 50% longer than the previous 7,516 km. The number of offshore islands has been reached to 1,389 up to 1,382. The updated data will influence decision on coastal zone regulation, CRZ, coastal protection and tourism development. Key points. India has claimed an extended continental shift in Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. The coastline may expanded from 7,500 km to approx 11,000 km. Submitted as the per UNCLOC, United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. It gives India sovereign right over more seabed resources like oil, gas, minerals. Why it's important? India can now explore and exploit seabed resource beyond the 200 nautical mile exclusive economic zone EEZ, boost blue economic maritime trade and a strategic influence. Coastal states like Gujarat, Tamil Nadu and Odisha will benefit. Useful for the fisheries, defense, deep sea mining and environmental resource research. History of Indian coastline. India's coastline has been considered 7,516.6 km long, spread across 9 coastal states and 2 UTs. India ratified UNCLOC in 1995. First submission of a continental shift expansion was made in 2009. Now it's the time for practice question. India's coastline is said to expand by a nearly 50% after submitting updated data to which international bodies? A. World Trade Organization. B. International Maritime Organization. C. United Nations Commission on the Limit of the Continental Shift. D. International Court of Justice. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.